Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the TalkUp English channel. I'm Brian.
And I'm Chloe. Hello, Brian. How are you today?
Hi, Chloe. I'm great, thank you. It's a beautiful day. How are you?
I'm very good. Thank you for asking. I'm happy to be here today.
Me too. I'm always happy to talk with you and with all our amazing listeners.
Yes, a big hello to everyone listening. We are so happy you're here to learn English with us.
That's right. And before we start our topic for today, please remember to help our channel grow. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this podcast with your friends and family.
Yes, please do. It helps us a lot. Your support is fantastic. Okay, Brian, are you ready for today's topic?
I am ready. What are we going to talk about today, Chloe?
Good question. Today, we are going to talk about the future.
The future. Wow, that is a big topic. Is it difficult?
No, not at all. It's easy and very useful. We will talk about how to say your plans and your dreams in English. It's fun.
Okay, that sounds great. The future. So, where do we start?
Let's start with plans. A plan is something you decide to do. For example, your plans for tonight or your plans for the weekend.
Okay, my plans. So, how do I talk about my plans?
We use a very special phrase, going to. We say, I am going to, and then the action, the verb.
I am going to. Can you give me an example?
Of course. Tonight, I have a plan. I am going to watch a movie.
I am going to watch a movie. I see. So the plan is to watch a movie.
Yes, exactly. It is my plan. So, Brian, what are you going to do tonight? What is your plan?
My plan. Tonight, I am going to read my book. Is that right?
That is perfect. Yes, I am going to read my book. Great job.
Thank you. Okay, so this is for I. What about for you? I say you are going to?
Yes, exactly. The verb to be changes. So, I am, but you are. For example, you can say to me, Chloe, you are going to watch a movie.
Okay, Chloe, you are going to watch a movie. And you say, Brian, you are going to read a book.
Perfect. It's a conversation. It's easy, right?
It is easy. So, I am, you are. What about for a friend, for a boy, he?
Good question. For he or she or it, we use is. So he is going to or she is going to.
He is going to, okay, my brother, Tom, he is going to play football tomorrow.
Excellent example. He is going to play football. That is his plan for tomorrow. What about a female friend? A friend named Sarah.
Sarah, she is going to visit her family on Saturday.
Wonderful. You are doing a great job, Brian, and a great job to everyone listening and thinking of examples.
This is fun. So we have I am, you are, he is, she is. What about for a group, for we, you and me?
For we use are, just like with you. So we are going to.
We are going to, okay, you and I, Chloe, we are going to record a podcast right now.
Yes, we are. That is our plan, and we are doing it. A perfect example. We are going to help people learn English.
Yes. And what about they, for a group of other people?
Also are. So they are going to, for example, my friends, they are going to have a party next week.
Oh, a party. That sounds fun. They are going to have a party. Okay, I think I understand. So to talk about a plan, we use the verb to be, am is are, plus going to, plus the action verb.
You got it. That is the complete formula. It's a great way to talk about your future plans. Let's practice asking a question.
A question. Okay, how do I ask?
It's simple. You just move the verb to be to the start of the sentence. So, for me, you can ask, are you going to watch a movie tonight?
Ah, are you going to watch a movie tonight? The answer is yes, I am, or no, I'm not.
Exactly. So, Brian, are you going to read your book tonight?
Yes, I am. I am going to read my book.
Great. And what about Tom? How do we ask about Tom?
Hmm. The verb for he is. So, is he going to play football tomorrow?
Yes, perfect. You just put is at the beginning. Is he going to play football tomorrow?
And the answer is yes, he is, or no, he isn't. This is great. It's a simple rule.
It is. English has rules, and when you learn them, it becomes much easier. So, for everyone listening, think about your plans. What are you going to do tomorrow?
Yes, think about it. Are you going to study English? Are you going to meet a friend? Are you going to cook dinner?
These are great questions. Using going to for plans is very, very common.
Okay, Chloe. So that is going to for plans. You said we will talk about another way to speak about the future.
Yes. The second word we will look at is will. W-I-L-L. Will.
Will. Okay. How is will different from going to?
Another great question. We use will for two main things. First, for a prediction, a guess about the future.
A prediction, like looking at the sky and saying, I think it will rain tomorrow.
That is a perfect example. Yes, you don't have a plan for it to rain, but you think it is possible. It's a prediction. It will rain tomorrow.
I see. So it's not a plan, it's a thought about the future.
Exactly. Another example. That movie is very good. You will like it. I am predicting your feeling.
You will like it. Okay. And the good news about will is that it is very easy. It is the same for every person.
Really? The same for everyone?
Yes, so you say, I will, you will, he will, she will, we will, they will. No change.
Wow, that is easy. So I can say, I will be happy, and he will be happy, and they will be happy.
Yes, yes, and yes, all the same. You just put will before the verb.
I like will. It's very friendly. So that is for predictions. What is the second use for will?
The second use is for a decision you make right now, a spontaneous decision.
Spontaneous. What does that mean?
It means you did not plan it before. You decide in the moment of speaking. For example, imagine we are at a cafe. I look at the menu and I say, I think I will have a coffee.
Ah, so you didn't have a plan to drink coffee before. You decided right now.
Exactly. Or if the phone is ringing, I can say, oh, the phone is ringing. I will get it.
I see. It's not a plan from yesterday. It's a decision from now, from the second.
Yes. So let's review. Going to is for a plan you made before. I am going to visit my mother on Sunday. This is my plan.
And will is for a prediction or a decision made now. I think it will be sunny on Sunday. That's a prediction.
And if my friend says, I am cold, I can say, oh, I will close the window for you. That is a decision I make right now to help my friend.
This is a great explanation, Brian. The difference is very clear. Plan equals going to, prediction or now decision equals will.
That's it. And asking a question with will is also easy. You just put will at the start.
So I can ask you, will you be at the party on Saturday?
Yes, you can. And I can answer, yes, I will. Or, no, I won't.
Oh, won't? What is won't?
Won't is the short form for will not. It's very common to say won't in conversation.
I see. So I will not go to the party is the same as I won't go to the party.
Yes, exactly. Won't is just faster and more natural when we speak.
Okay, that's good to know. Won't. I will remember that. See, I used will.
Yes, you did. A spontaneous decision to remember it. Perfect use.
So we can talk about plans and we can talk about predictions. What about our dreams for the future, like the big future, next year or in 5 years?
Ah, for big dreams and hopes. We can use both, but will is very common. Or the phrase, I want to.
I want to. That's a good one. For example, in the future, I want to travel to Italy.
That's a beautiful dream. Yes, I want to travel to Italy. You are expressing a hope, a desire.
What about you, Brian? What is a dream you have for the future?
A dream for the future. One day I want to learn how to play the guitar.
Aw, that's a wonderful dream. So you can also say, one day I will learn to play the guitar.
Yes, I will learn to play the guitar. It sounds strong, like a promise to myself for the future.
It does. It sounds very positive. So, for our listeners, what do you want to do in the future? What is your dream?
Maybe you want to learn a new language. You can say, I will speak English fluently.
That is a fantastic goal. And you are all doing it right now. You are learning with us. So your dream is happening.
That's so true. Every episode you listen to, you are working on your future dream. That's amazing.
It really is. So let's try a small conversation with everything. Let's practice.
Okay, I will start. Hi, Chloe. What are you going to do this weekend?
Hi, Brian. This weekend, I am going to visit my parents. It's my plan. What about you?
That's nice. I don't have big plans. I think I will just relax at home. Maybe I will watch some TV.
See? You said, I think I will. It's not a fixed plan, it's an idea for the future. That's a perfect use of will.
Thank you. Okay, my turn to ask. Are you going to cook dinner for your parents?
I'm not sure. Maybe I will. My mom is a great cook, so probably she will cook for me.
That's a good prediction. She will cook for me.
Me too. This is a good example of how we mix going to and will in a normal conversation.
Yes, we use going to for the main plan, visiting your parents, and we use will for the smaller possibilities or predictions. Who is going to cook?
Exactly. So, for everyone listening, don't worry too much. The most important thing is to communicate. People will understand you if you use will or going to.
That's a very good point, Chloe. The goal is communication. Practice is the best way to learn the small differences.
Yes. So, let's do a quick summary for everyone.
Good idea. So, number one, to talk about a future plan, we use
Be going to. Like, I am going to study English tomorrow.
perfect. And number two, to talk about a prediction or a spontaneous decision, we use
Will. Like, I think it will be sunny. Or, I will have some water.
excellent summary. And remember, for questions, you just put be or will at the front of the sentence.
Are you going to study? Or will you be there? It's that simple.
I feel like we are ready for the future now.
Me too. I think our listeners will have a much easier time talking about their future plans and dreams.
I think so too. And remember, everyone, practice is key. Try to make sentences about your future today.
Yes. What are you going to do after this podcast?
That's a great question for our listeners. Think about it. I am going to eat lunch, or I am going to go for a walk.
Or maybe I will listen to another TalkUp English podcast. Wink.
I hope so. That would be a great spontaneous decision.
Well, Brian, I think that's all the time we have for today. This was a really fun topic.
It was. Talking about the future is always exciting. Thank you, Chloe.
Thank you, Brian. And a huge thank you to all of our amazing listeners. You are the reason we do this.
Yes, thank you all so much. We hope this episode helps you talk about your future in English with more confidence.
Don't forget to subscribe to the Talk Up English channel so you don't miss our next episode. And please share this with anyone who is learning English.
And for today's comment, we have a question for you. Please write a comment below and tell us, what are you going to do next week?
Ooh, I love that question. Tell us one of your plans for next week. We would love to read them.
Yes, we read all the comments. It's a great way for you to practice. Until next time, keep practicing and keep smiling.
Bye, everyone. See you in the next episode.